Hello globe gazers. Welcome to our channel. Today we'll be looking into the hidden tourism gems of Brazil. So let's get globe gazing. Brazil is known for its beautiful beaches, lively carnivals, and bustling cities. But did you know that there are hidden gems in this country that many tourists miss? Today, we'll be showing you 5 hidden tourism gems in Brazil that you absolutely must visit in 2023. Our first destination is the Amazon rainforest. This is the largest rainforest in the world and is home to countless plant and animal species. You can take a boat tour down the Amazon River, hike through the jungle, and even stay in a treehouse to truly immerse yourself in nature. Don't miss the chance to see the pink river dolphins, which are only found in this region. Next up is Chapada Diamantina National Park. This stunning park is located in the heart of Bahia and offers breathtaking landscapes such as waterfalls, caves, and canyons. You can hike through the park's trails, swim in natural pools, and even go paragliding for a bird's eye view of the park. Our third destination is Fernando de Noronha, a secluded archipelago off the coast of Brazil. This paradise is home to crystal clear waters, white sandy beaches, and incredible marine life. You can go scuba diving or snorkeling to see colorful fish and sea turtles, or hike through the island's trails to see stunning views of the ocean. Next, we have Ouro Preto, a charming colonial town located in the state of Minas Gerais. This town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is known for its well-preserved Baroque architecture and historic churches. You can take a walking tour of the town to learn about its rich history and enjoy the local cuisine. Last but not least, we have Lençóis Maranhenses National Park. This unique park is located in the state of Maranhão and is known for its vast sand dunes and crystal clear lagoons. You can take a guided tour to see the park's hidden lagoons, swim in the cool waters, and even go sandboarding down the dunes. That's it for our list of 5 hidden tourism gems in Brazil. Which one are you most excited to visit? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Globe Gazing for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.